certified pre-owned vehicle, visit Murray Auto Center, 1500 Richmond
Kalau
Avenue,
konduktor,
murrayAutoCenter.ca. Looking for the hottest new wireless device and a chance to win big? We hear you. Teleco, your Rogers authorized dealer, has the amazing new Samsung Galaxy S4. Plus, Teleco Scratch and Win is back with even more exciting prizes than last year, and every card's a winner. Upgrade or activate to a device like the S4 today for your chance to win some amazing prizes, including season tickets to the Brandon Meat Kings valued at $850. Conditions apply. See store for details. Get the S4 on the Rogers network that gives you province-wide coverage. Teleco, your Rogers authorized dealer at 1128E 18th Street across from the Keystone Center.
I haven't slept in days. Where's the extravaganza? I need the extravaganza.
Oh, this is the Sleep Country Simmons extravaganza.
Okay, I need sleep. Really bad. It's my husband. Every night he stays up late, then he gets into bed with all the subtlety of an elephant. And to make things worse, he says my early to rise routine is a rude awakening. Can you help?
It is a classic case of two sleeper types on opposite schedules. You're a rooster, and he's a night owl.
He is?
Yeah, your mattress is keeping you awake because when one of you moves, the other is disturbed.
Oh.
A Beauty Rest mattress can help.
It can?
Its do not disturb coils cradle you in comfort so you sleep soundly even when your partner moves.
One mattress, two happy sleepers.
Exactly.
I'm Christine McGee. No matter what type of sleeper you are, we'll help you get the undisturbed sleep you deserve at our Simmons extravaganza on now. For a limited time, all Simmons Beauty Rest mattresses are at prices that are absolutely unbeatable. Come to Sleep Country today and become Sleeping Beauties tonight.
From all your friends at 94.7 Star FM, congrats to the class of 2013. Have an awesome summer.
Maybe I need some rehab, or maybe just need some sleep. I got a sick obsession. I'm seeing it in my dreams. I'm looking down every alley. I'm making those desperate calls. I'm staying up all night hoping that my head against the wall. What you got, boy, is hard to find. I think
Ahí.